Hi there, 5th and 6th Big History students. I'm sorry not to be with you all today. It is not that common that I'm not at school, but today just happens to be one of those days. So some of you guys are at home working and some of you guys are actually in the classroom. And so the good news is that you will all be doing the same thing, okay? This is work that can absolutely be done on your own. However, if you're in the classroom and you want to work with a friend outside of the classroom, that would be totally fine, okay? So it's okay if you guys work on this with other people or you FaceTime a friend who's also at home. Okay, so what you guys need to do today is the exact same no matter where you're working from today. The first thing that I need you to do is fill out the entrance ticket, okay? And that can actually be done anytime during class, but it should be done during class. I'm just going to ask you a quick question about the election, how much you're paying attention to it, etc. It's a way for me to take roll and to kind of get a pulse on where we are. That way we can debrief when I see you guys next week. As of right now, Wednesday, when I'm recording this video, we don't have an answer yet. So I'm curious how close to paying attention you guys are to everything that's going on right now. After that, you're going to hop on the document that we started together on Tuesday, and you guys are going to be filling out documents D, E, F, and G. So 4 documents, but the good news is some of it's pictures, okay? And you're going to use the same historical thinking skills that we walked through together in class on Tuesday. And so many of you guys had so many good answers. I know that this is going to be good. Okay, we will go over those answers for these documents in class on Tuesday. So if you're struggling with one, do your best to get something down, but know that it doesn't need to be perfect, okay? But still take your best shot at it. Once you've analyzed all of the documents in our first DBQ, you're going to come down here to this brainstorming idea. So the question that we're looking at is, were the Dark Ages truly dark? Okay, and I want you to answer that for yourself. Do you say yes based on the documents above or no based on the documents above? It might be an answer that's a little bit more complicated. It might be a little bit yes, a little bit no. And what you're going to do is you're going to write down 3 reasons why you think it's either dark, not so dark, or maybe a little bit more complicated and kind of both. Okay, so you're going to type those here in A, B, and C. The big thing with a DBQ is that you want to use evidence, okay? So from what document did you get this fact above? So let's say I'm going to say the Dark Ages was dark and terrible because when I read up in document A that there was a decline in commerce and manufacturing, in education and literature and arts, I'm going to say the Dark Ages are dark just for the sake of argument, okay? I think you can go either way on this. You're going to put that fact here. Okay, dark because of education, can't spell, blah, 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 blah. And I'm going to say that I got that fact from document A. Okay, so as you come up with the reasons for why you think it's yes, no, or something more complicated, you're going to put your reasons here. Okay, sorry for my gibberish. And you're going to put the letter of the document here. Okay, that way when we go to actually write something together, you can remember which documents you received your insights from. Okay, so just to recap, in class today, you're going to be doing an entrance ticket. You need to do this sometime by the beginning of class. I'm sorry, by the end of class. You're then going to complete analyzing documents C through the end, or you've already done C, so D through the end, and you're going to fill out the brainstorming ideas here. Once you do that, you're done for the day, okay? So feel free to work on something else, just something quietly at your desk or right outside of the classroom. Please be respectful to the sub, and if you need any help, ask a classmate first, and then if you're still not sure, feel free to walk over to Studio 1 where Miss Tedesco is, and so long as she's not talking like up in front of the class to her class, you can just sort of let yourself in, just say that you're one of Cozy's students and you have a question. Her students are doing the exact same thing and she'll be able to help you. All right, with that, I'm going to sign off. I am sorry not to be with you guys, and I will see you all in line, online, or in person on Tuesday. Have a great weekend.